Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I'll show you how I make a sauce, egg sauce, Nigerian egg sauce, simple and delicious egg sauce for your lunch, breakfast and dinner, and it is ideal for lunch bugs. Keep watching. Saturday morning breakfast is ready. Let's dive into it, everyone. So first, my number one ingredient is fresh tomatoes. If you don't have fresh tomatoes, you could go with tomato puree. So after washing it behind camera, I'll go ahead and cut it into the shapes that I want. Cut yours into the shape you want. You could cut it cubes or even blend it, but in this video I choose to cut it. If you're new in my channel, you're highly welcome. If you're returning, thanks for returning. Don't forget to like, comment and share my video to your friends and families, and don't forget to watch the ads. There are lots of yummy recipes on this channel, and the links will be down below, and the quantities of each ingredient will be on the description box down below. So my number two ingredient is red bell pepper. It is washed and removed the seeds. So I'll go ahead and cut it into the shapes that I would like to use in this video. So after cutting it, I'll set it aside. Then my next ingredient is scotch bonnet pepper. This very scotch bonnet pepper is not spicy, so I'll use my hand to cut it after taking off the seeds. And you could use a glove to do yours or even blend it, but I choose to cut it with my hands because it is not spicy, it is not pepperish. All right, after cutting it, I'll set it aside, and then here I have one bulb of onions. So I'll go ahead and cut it into the desirable shapes that I would love to use in this very video. And it was washed behind the camera. After cutting it, this is what it looks like. Then next I have fresh garlic. It is optional. If you like to use garlic or you love the flavor garlic gives to your recipes, then sure to use it. So after peeling it off, I'll go ahead and cut it into smaller shapes. Keep watching, don't go away, and if this is your first time, you are highly welcome. If you're returning, thanks for returning. Don't forget to watch the ads, don't forget to share my videos to your friends. So after cutting my scotch bonnet pepper, this is what it looks like. Then I have here mixed ingredients. All their names will be at the description box down below. Then I have 5 fresh eggs and salt to taste. Then let's dive into the cooking, everyone. So after I wash my pot, I placed it on fire, and when it gets hot, I add 250 ml of vegetable oil, and next I go with my orange chopped onions and my garlic. Why I add my garlic at this point is to allow it to loosen that strong flavor it has. And then the same thing with my scotch bonnet pepper. So I will go ahead and stir this on a medium flame to combine, and next I'll go with my red bell pepper and continue to stir to combine for 3 to 4 minutes on a medium flame. If you're new, you're highly welcome, and I would like to thank all my generous subscribers for your wonderful support always. I really appreciate it. And those who are returnees, and those who are coming for the first time, thanks for coming. So I'll allow this to cook on a medium flame for 5 minutes. While that is aside, on a clean plate, I crack my fresh eggs, and after that I add half teaspoon of seasoning and whisk till it turns white until everything blends properly. Then I will set it aside and continue cooking. So at this point I will just check my onions, red bell pepper, garlic and scotch bonnet pepper, and then next I go in with my tomatoes and I'll stir to combine. Stir this on a medium flame for 2 minutes, and next I go on with my mixed ingredients and half teaspoon of salt and stir to combine. Then cover for 10 minutes on a medium flame, and after 10 minutes I will take my turning stick and continue to stir to combine. And then after stirring it for 2 minutes, it's almost ready, but not yet ready. So at this point I will add my already whisked eggs and allow to cook on a low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. If you've watched my video up to this point, don't forget to subscribe and like and comment and share my video to your friends and families. So after 10 to 15 minutes, you see what our delicious and simple eggs look like. So at this point I will just take my turning stick and begin to mix to combine for 2 minutes on a low flame. After that, our delicious egg sauce is ready. Your kids will love it and you will love it. Give this to them as breakfast and see how they will say, "Mommy, thank you, I love you." Alright, thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected, and see you in the next video, and bye for now.